Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make onion and potato soup. Start by gathering onions, potatoes, stock, butter, salt, pepper, and fresh herbs. Begin by peeling and slicing the onions thinly and dicing the potatoes into 1-inch cubes. Use medium heat to slowly caramelize the onions for deep flavor, then add potatoes and stock, simmering until tender and creamy, finishing with a splash of cream and chopped herbs. I'll walk you through each cooking step so the soup turns out rich and balanced. Sauté onions slowly until golden, then deglaze the pan with a splash of stock. Add diced potatoes, more stock, salt, and pepper, and simmer until potatoes are very tender. Blend partially for a rustic texture or fully for silky smoothness, then return to the pot to finish with cream and fresh herbs before serving warm. Quick recommendation: if you like hands-off cleaning while you make soup, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum for smarter floors. It offers voice control and strong suction for crumbs, and it maps rooms so it won't miss the kitchen around your cooking zone. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like, and check the description for the link and deals. Now let's get back to the video. Seasoning and serving make the difference between good and great soup. Taste and adjust salt, pepper, and acidity with a squeeze of lemon if needed. Garnish with chopped chives or parsley, crispy shallots, and a drizzle of olive oil or a sprinkle of smoked paprika. Serve with crusty bread or grilled cheese for dipping, and store leftovers in an airtight container in the fridge for up to 4 days. Reheat gently to avoid separation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.